Antán is a story about greed, about wealth, about power, about the thirst for power and wealth. And it's a story that's been with us for over 2,000 years. In recent times, that is in the last century, we've seen many interpretations of Antán. In this production, we're combining the visual imagery of the rocket, we're combining the flow and movement of contemporary dance, along with modern composition in the shallows mode. Every renewed interpretation of Antán seems to bring something new to it. We will be using some of Louis Le Brocquet's images to set against our interpretation of the sacred text. Antán will be performed in the Model in Sligo on Saturday the 28th of April 2018.